Today's video is about Davanagere Benne Dosa. Davanagere Benne Dosa is a quite famous variety of dosa in Davanagere district located in north part of Karnataka. I have never tried the original dosa from Davangere, but I have tasted it from many Davanagere Benne Dosa outlets, which is famous in Bangalore and also in all parts of Karnataka. Time to see a top review for liquid dough Chapathi recipe. Nishika Vaibhav Goyal says she made the liquid roti by following the video and she really liked it and it was better than what she expected, and she also added some kasturi methi for it. Thank you for trying. I'm glad you liked it. Let's start the Benne dosa recipe. First step is to make dosa batter. So add water to all the ingredients, wash it nicely until the water comes out clear and then soak it for 4 hours. Next is a secret ingredient that we are going to add to make the dosa fluffy. We are going to add 2 cups of puffed rice. We are going to wash it nicely, soak it, squeeze it and add in along with all other ingredients of dosa that we have soaked for 4 hours. Mix the dosa batter using your hands, which will help in better fermentation of dosa batter. Transfer dosa batter onto a box and let it sit on your countertop for 8 hours until it is completely fermented. Let us see how to make this authentic potato curry. Is mildly spiced with the chilies that we boiled along with the onions, but the chutney is heavily spicy, so that's going to balance our dosa taste. I'm going to show you how to make the typical Davanagere Benne Dosa outlet style chutney. Secret ingredients in this chutney is 1 clove and some seeds from the cardamom pod. That's going to give us the same authentic taste. After making the chutney ready, let's see how to make the dosa. crispy, tasty benne dosa is ready. Serve it with the potato palya and chutney, and it's gonna taste heavenly. Want to see more such delicious, healthy recipes? Then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. Also share this recipe, which will encourage me to make more such recipes. Thank you.